Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics, your Discord email and username, and any backup codes you saved. Once done, check if you still have your authentication app or a linked phone number. These are the fastest routes back in. If you lack both, prepare a government ID or account proof for manual support. Make sure to note the approximate last login date and any payment receipts. Discord support will ask for details to verify ownership, so collect them before contacting support. Next, try built-in recovery paths. You should first enter a backup code at the two-factor prompt. One valid code immediately restores access. If you set a phone number, request an SMS or call code and enter it. This bypasses the authenticator. If neither works, tap the Lost to FA or Can't Access My Authenticator option to open the account recovery form. Explain clearly that you lost your device, attach proof if requested, and submit. This triggers the support review process. To finish, monitor your email for Discord support replies and follow any verification steps immediately because delays slow the process. Once verified, disable or reset to FA, re-enable with a new authenticator app, and securely store new backup codes offline. If support rejects your request, don't panic. Recheck the evidence you submitted, gather clearer account activity or payment receipts, and resubmit. One key troubleshooting tip: if you're not hearing back, check spam and ensure your reply email.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.